how to locate the Steam games that you have already installed and backed up. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can find the Steam games that you've already installed, and you don't really need any downloads for this. So what you'll need to do is, after you're on your Steam, you can find the game that you're talking about. Now, we'll just head over to our folder, our local disk, and inside our local disk, we'll search for program files 86, this one right here, this folder. Open that up. Inside this, we'll now head over to Steam. So search for the Steam folder. Open that up. And inside the Steam folder, you can simply again head over to Steam apps. And inside Steam apps, you'll find another folder called common. Head over to common folder, and there you'll find the folder of that game that you have. Now we can go inside and look at it, and what we'll do here is now simply copy this folder. So you can simply right click here, tap on copy, or simply press Ctrl C. Then you can press on Ctrl V to paste it. There you can see it's copying the items, and after the items have been copied, you can then delete this first folder. So delete the first folder, and after you do that, you can then rename this. So rename this folder into the original folder's name, and after you've renamed it, you can then head back. Now you'll need to head over to your Steam, and here if you see an install button, tap on install. After you tap on install here, you'll find another folder or another pop-up that says the location where you want to download it. Just download it into this location. Make sure that you remember this location and download it on your C drive to that very location. And after you press on install, it will start verifying, and you don't even need to download it. After the verification is done, you can then start playing the game. And that's how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.